Well, in last week's episode, I tried doing everything the way you're supposed to do with one of the old-fashioned ice boxes. However, that just wasn't working. So this week, I'm going to throw all the rules out the window, and I'm going to do things that the old instructions told you never to do. Well, I got the idea that maybe if I put that ice block in the bottom, it might keep the bottom cool for longer. I'm just going to try it. I know that goes against what you're supposed to do, but then again, I'm not using ice. Now, I've been running this test all day, and you can see that the frost is still halfway up that ice block. So what do we got here? 42.1. So it stayed at below 42 all day. What you see here is the 12-hour graph. It stayed within 2.2 degrees for the 12 hours, which is very good and probably almost better than some modern refrigerators. This next overlay graph shows in gray, that is the 4 blocks where I had them in the upper section, and the refrigerator is in the darker gray, that temperature. You can see that it mirrored the 4 blocks of ice, except that it was a few degrees colder, and I think this is going to work out. It's what I intend to be using to just keep soft drink cold, that I can load up a bunch of soft drink in the bottom of the ice box and have it when I want it, as opposed to in the refrigerator, there's not a lot of room. Finally, I will be using this ice box, maybe not exactly the way it was intended, but it will be useful. And with the 4 ice blocks that I have, I will just rotate one in and out every 12 hours, because with 4 of them and using 2 a day, it'll give it plenty of time to recharge, because it has to be below 5 degrees above zero for those blocks to refreeze.